Sorry, that's what you had to see. Oh, sorry. That game got me fucked up. So that was so sweet.
Was it slat?
Not slat.
Your mama, your mama.
Okay, follow me, follow me.
Sorry. Why are you crying?
Look at this, bro.
Cosmic, come here, come here.
How did you forget what just happened?
Dude, you're supposed to be dead. Shut up.
Yeah.
You kill me, I'm ending stream. Who
That was bad.
said that?
Yo,
What? Apex says. Sorry. But let me show you. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. I actually will. Don't test me. Sorry. No, it's not you, because like the most boring story I've ever heard in my life. Excuse me. Sorry. I don't know. I literally don't know. Ooh. They never do that though. I feel like you and me, babe. Don't be scared of them. Except if you're from Quebec. Then hi, Matthew. Hello, welcome. Jesus. Okay. Sorry. When did we have to stay in my? You'd have to stay in my man's. Sorry. Oh my god. That was amazing. Sorry. That like. Perfect. Why do you burp this much? Do who remain anonymous? And look at this. I freaking love you. I don't know why I'm burping like it's fucking like bubble wrap. It sounds fucked up. Sorry. That's like this.
DeWizwa? Oh my, I'm DeWizwa.
Okay. Wait. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
It sounded so like. Oh, sorry. It's. Sorry. Maybe I just have to burp. Okay, hopefully that makes a difference. 80 years! Alright, let's see what you got here, love. Well, I am not single. Okay, I'm just gonna do that, cause whatever. How is that my problem in any way? Hello and welcome. That is like 40% of your content. Burping? No, it's not. Chatting. Doing fun little segments. Now my hands smell like hot chips. You. I do what all the time? What the fuck is this? Like, it's just crazy. Oh yeah, and not didn't want to. Sorry, if it and playing guitar, so check it out if you want. I think that it's sorry. That's sorry guys, sorry. That's not really wall of shame. Keep doing your thing. But As soon as I pull out that motherfucking screen and do my motherfucking thing. Okay, Slap, no. No, I would never verbally hurt. I would never verbally DM me on Discord. Dropping very, very soon. Never. I'm back and I'm ready to party. Whoopsie daisy. Oh my god, that was like the biggest one I've ever done. Not actually, but it did good. Okay, let's guess the virgin. Sorry. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try actually not to burp. Like, I'm actually gonna try not to burp because, okay. Oh, wait, let me see this. I will take it off stream.
Maybe,
Sorry. Whoa. I will stream 10 hours. Sorry. I do play guitar. Fuck. Like, weird story that nobody will understand, kind of. Excuse me, sorry. And it's not really even a story. I don't think anybody gives a fuck about Slime Rancher. One of my coworkers today. Hi, Crayfish. See, like, how's that for your burp? I'm sorry you got banned. Lipped is goated. Sorry. Okay. Do you want a self-portrait? Yes. I'm actually scared because I'm not scared at all. And all of my you're only dumb as a bit. Okay, bitch. Guys want to play? Please click exclamation point join. Do you guys fuck with the contacts or no? Like, do you think it's something you can get used to? Okay. Okay. Oh, also, Dan, you know how I do. Okay, I do want to see.